Hi, welcome to my channel. So is your views getting dropped? So I'm going to show you the correct way where you can actually, upload your videos and you can actually get drastic number of views. And you know what? If you're not getting views and if your views are under 500, under 100, then probably you are not uploading it in a right way. It's very, very important that when you develop a video and when you upload it, your uploading should be proper, because if you don't upload it properly, then a lot of issues will come and you will not reach the right amount of customers which you should be reaching. So what is the first important thing that you must do when you are uploading your videos? Step number one. So step number one is make your videos private. You know why you should be making your videos private? So what happens is when you immediately upload the video, just immediately without giving YouTube some time to actually catch what video suits your algorithm or your subject, then obviously you're not going to get views. So never ever in life make your video immediately public after you upload. What you have to do is once you upload the video, make your video private. Okay, so this will help YouTube to catch the right amount of audience for your channel. So basically, why tag is important? This is the same mistake which I made, and it took me a long time to realize that how important tags are for video. Tags are not just random tags. Tags are very important essentials for your videos. You know why? Because suppose I am searching for a skincare brand. Okay, now when you upload a video with those tags, then the brand that I'm searching for is going to, YouTube algorithm is going to connect and showcase your video to that particular person, to me, or a particular person who you want to showcase. So it's very important that you try to give video with tags. The most important thing is never in life, once you've uploaded a video, never ever in life immediately delete a video. So when you keep on deleting, changing the thumbnail, changing the description, keep on changing, then YouTube algorithm, they don't really realize what exactly your video is all about. So YouTube algorithm is actually going to ban your video, and it's going to think that maybe the video is having it's a spam. So YouTube algorithm doesn't really recognize human interaction. It only recognize algorithm. So you will be under a shadow ban, which will not be healthy for your channel. Once you're under shadow ban, then it's very difficult to actually get proper number of views. It takes a lot of time to actually remove the shadow ban. So if you are under a shadow ban, then what will happen is you will get views around 100, 200, like that you're going to get. So remember one thing, that when you upload a video, even if you have made a mistake, don't try to delete a video. Never ever delete the video. Just keep it like that. It's very important. Third most important thing is, before uploading a video, make sure you watch your own videos and then you upload it, so that in case if there is some mistake, there is some correction, you can always rectify it. It's very, very important. Now the most important thing is, don't share YouTube link. You know why? Immediately once you upload a video, if you share YouTube link, then what is going to happen is your channel or the YouTube algorithm will not recognize it. And then what it's going to do, as it is not going to recognize it, so it is wait for some time, wait for 2 to 3 hours. Another most important things, this is very, very essential, and you have to actually remember this. Okay, that is, when you upload the video, once you've uploaded it, parallelly try to create 4 to 5 channels and try to watch the video from beginning to the end. When you watch the video from beginning to the end, what happens is, YouTube thinks that your video is getting watched. Also, you can like the video from that different channel. So when YouTube thinks that your video it's getting watched, so YouTube automatically tries to push your video at the top of the algorithm. So it's very simple. Just create 3-4 more channels and watch the video. So once you from first till the last. So once you've watched the video, wait for some time, again don't keep on watching it, again watch it from a different channel. So this way YouTube will think, okay, this video is being watched from beginning till the end, and it is going to actually promote your channel. Another important thing, it's always very important to pin a comment. When you pin a comment, it's so important, guys, because if you don't pin a comment, then YouTube thinks that you're not interacting with the audience. Always pin a comment when you are interacting with the audience, and have interaction with the audience, because this will actually fill up your comment section, and filling up your comment section means that your videos are getting engaged, and YouTube will try to promote your channel at the top. So when you are uploading from your mobile, uh, you try to go to the browser and then you try to upload it. Immediately, don't try to upload from your mobile. Try to go to the browser, save the file, not as point or one file, not like that. You need to save. Suppose my video is about health and fitness. So I'm going to save that file, video file, as health and fitness, and then I'm going to upload it. Because then what happens, without just by file name one like that, if you upload, then YouTube again will think that algorithm again doesn't recognize it. So it will think that channel is the channel. It will not know which audience it should be it should be shown. So it's very important, whatever your subject is, you name it accordingly before you upload the video. And the most important thing, the thumbnail. The thumbnail should be very, very engaging. If you give a proper thumbnail, then obviously your thumbnail words, your letters and everything should be big, so that people can see your video, and they can come and they get to know about the video, what exactly it is all about, and they engage in your channel. So let me show you how. Please watch this video from top to the end, because it's very important, because I want to show you step by step what you're supposed to do.
Okay, so what you have to do exactly right now is, the first thing you need to do is make your channel private. And once you have made it private, then the next thing that you need to do is basically you need to go down and undo the show how many viewers like the video button. Okay, after that, after you have used, you need to give proper description in your channel. Proper description is very important. Use ChatGPT to give description. Whatever your subject matter is, you need to use a proper description for your video. For example, you have to give a prompt like give description with popular keywords about YouTube marketing or whatever your niche is. So once you have done that, then you have to actually you will be getting a proper description with popular keywords, and you need to copy and paste that in your channel. It's very, very, very important, guys, because if you don't do that, then the problem is YouTube algorithm is not going to recognize it. So you can copy it and give it in tag whatever your niche is about. And once you have done it, now I'm going to undo because it's about something else, and you need to give the description. You first need to copy it and give it in the description, and after that you need to copy the tags and give it in the tags. It's very, very important that you give proper tags for your YouTube videos. So this is done. Once you have done the tags, description here you have to write it. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe also. You need to give that. It's again very, very important, because if you don't do that, then again you are going to go under a shadow ban. Okay, no, you need to uncheck no, it is not made for kids, because if you make it into as no, it is made for kids, then probably your channel will be restricted and will not reach lot of viewers. So it will only reach someone around, if it's under the age of 10 or 12. So you need to give it as no, it is not made for kids. Okay. This is something you can just keep it as it is. Remember to give tags. It's very, very important, guys. You have to give tags. Video language, remember to make it in the language that you are speaking, or if you want it in some other language, then you can do. I'm talking in English, then I would obviously give it in English. It's very important, guys. Again, title and description language, English, whichever language you want, you give it accordingly. Now, category, what your channel is about. So my another channel is about lifestyle, vlog, people, style and beauty. So I've given it as people and blogs. And show how many viewers to like this video, you need to unlike it. It's very, 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 very important. Private, don't forget, because you obviously want the YouTube algorithm to catch what exactly your channel is trying to sell to your audience. Cards is there, and end screen. So card you can use or add the card if you want at the end of the screen. In the end screen you can add whichever video you want to add. And cards is very important. Suppose you want your audience to be always connected with you one by one video. So what you exactly need to do is you need to connect your that video to another video. So for that, what you need to do is you need to add something which is after that video. So my this video is connecting with the other video, so I've already added. If you can see how to get your X back, I've already given a networking and connection. So this way viewers will keep on getting engaged in your video. Is very, very important. Okay, another most important thing is, guys, that is you need to actually, when you are saving a video, you need to, the name should be according to what you're talking about. You cannot just write it as file name 1, file name 2. That is something which you never do, because if you do that, then again YouTube is not going to recognize, the algorithm is obviously not going to recognize it, that what exactly you are talking about, and it will not be a good thing to do. So it's very, very important, guys, that you do it properly. And again, very important, the thumbnail should be very, very strong. The text should be very big. It should actually project what you're talking about. If it's not projecting, your viewers will be least bothered to actually watch your videos. Like I have given here positive thinking. If you can see, positive thinking is very, very big. But again, I made one mistake, that change your luck with is little bit short, that it should not be. So a lot of viewers who have eye power may not even read it. So it's very important that all the text that you're giving in the thumbnail, it should be very, very big. Yeah, very, very important, guys. And another most important thing, if you really want to get fast growth, and if you have the money, then you can promote your videos, because once you promote, then you do get views, and somehow this helps all the new YouTubers to push their channel forward, to compete with other channels. It's very, very important. So there's audience growth where you can actually get subscribers. I've actually got subscribers, like 1,000 subscribers, from by promoting my videos. And also video views, if you want, website is there. Suppose if you want to sell a particular product, then you can drive viewers to your website with that link below. So this is very important. Promotion, if you have the money, then you can do it. If you don't have the money, don't worry. You just have to give proper content and proper quality, then obviously you are going to get your views. So that's it. I just hope that you really like my videos, my channel. If you really like, then please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel, guys, because your interest in my channel will also motivate me to help you guys so that you can also grow in your life. Thank you so much, guys. Take care. Love you loads.